Hello guys, this is Rahul Lodhi. Welcome to your favorite channel. Now today we will learn how to implement backend template in our Laravel project. So firstly, we have to download a backend template from internet. So I have already downloaded a admin LT template for backend. So we will use this template for backend in our project. So now we will log in this Rahul Lodhi at gmail.com 2345678 log. After login, you can see this we have reached in home page. So this is our dashboard in our basic Laravel project. Now we have to change this basic dashboard to our admin LT dashboard. So for that we have to copy all our admin LT template files to our project inside public folder. So I have already copied this inside public folder. I have created a backend folder and inside this I have pasted all the files of our backend template. Now we will open index.php file in our editor. Okay, now we will copy all the code and we have to paste it in our home page. So where is our home page? For that you have to go to your routes, web.php and find home. So you can see this home page are calling from home controller index. So now we will go to home controller and here index. So here you can see this. Here we are calling home view. So now we will open home view. So we have to go inside view and open home.blade. So here you can see this is default template are calling here. Now we have to call our new template. So for this we will go to layout folder inside view. So we will go to Laravel project, Laravel demo project, and inside resource, inside view and layouts, copy this and paste and rename this admin base.blade. Okay, so we will open this admin base.blade. Now we will paste all the codes here. Okay, so I have copied all the backend template index file code to our project base file. Okay, so this is admin base.blade.php. Now we have to separate this HTML to different files. So this is admin.base.blade.php. So you can see this is the header section, this is navbar section, sidebar section, and this is our content section. Okay, so for this header section we will create a header.blade file. Okay, so inside view folder, we will create a header.blade file. So here firstly we will create a include folder. Okay, and here inside include folder, here you can create header.blade file. Okay, and create one another file. sidebar.blade. Okay, so now we will cut this header section, okay, and put it inside this. Okay, and now we will cut this our sidebar and we will put it inside where this sidebar blade.php. Okay, okay guys, so we have created two different files, header.blade.php and sidebar.blade.php. okay, now we have to include these two files inside our base file. So inside admin.base folder we will include this @include, where this inside view include dot base, sorry, include dot header. Okay, one more, include dot sidebar. Okay, so I have called header first because we have removed header HTML from upper side of the sidebar section. Okay, then sidebar. Now we will remove this content and we will paste home.blade file. Okay, so we will replace here this HTML. Okay guys, now we have cut our HTML and divide all the parts in different files. So here we will use @yield content. @yield indicate that we can call our HTML section inside this content. Okay, so use of this content section we will append our HTML here. Okay guys, like this you can append your CSS links also here. So we will define it style section. Okay, and like this we can append our script here. So we can define a script. Okay, okay guys, in home.blade.php file we have to call this home.blade.php file inside our base admin base file. So for that we have created yield content. So with the help of this keyword we can append this home.blade.php file inside this base file. Okay, so we have to create a section by the name of content here. Okay, and here we have to use our base file name. So what's your base file name? Admin base dot, sorry, only admin base. Now we will refresh our page. So here you can see this, guys, our backend template have moved here, but this is not showing properly because we have to call CSS and JS file also here. So for that we will go to our base file, admin base.blade.php, and here we have to dynamic all the link URL and JS URL with the help of Laravel functions. So here we will use asset function. We will manage all URLs. Here you have to write backend also because we have put all the files inside backend folder. Okay guys, so this is our correct syntax for calling any CSS file. Okay, so we will change all the CSS URL like this. Okay, so like this we will replace all the .css and JS file. With the help of this syntax we will replace all the JS and CSS files. So now I am doing pause this video and resume when I replaced all these URLs. So now I have replaced all the JS and CSS URLs with the help of asset functions, and now we will see this our template. So you can see this here, admin template in our backend. Okay, so here you can see this, here some images are missing because we have not replaced the image URL. So we have to replace image URL also with the help of asset functions. So inside home and inside header also, header, we have to set all the image URL also with the help of asset function. Okay, backend, so here you can see this, guys, I have changed all the image URL also with the help of assets functions, and we have correctly called URL. So here we can see these all images. Okay, now our dashboard are looking good. So like this you can change front-end template also. So here you can see this, guys, this is the bootstrap template, and this is a very popular template, admin LT template. You can also download it from internet, and this is responsive template. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.